Everything begins with creation. The mother machines, forged from the sparks of metal, have unleashed our imagination and given birth to different manufacturing. The power of machines is relentless. We believe in Taiwan, which collaborates on every effort to envision a smarter future for machine tools, ever expanding to infinite possibilities. Because of you, we can step forward. Because we are resilient and intelligent. The Taiwan Machine Tools engine will continue to motor. Be a part of the very first TIMTOS and TMTS Mega Show.